My name is Trevor Pugh. I'm a senior scientist at the Princess-Margaret Cancer Centre and director of the genomics program at the Ontario Institute for Cancer Research. As scientific director of the Princess-Margaret Genomics Centre, we are the largest provider of single-cell genomics technologies in Canada, and we've profiled over 4,500 samples from 100 clinical research studies. Just one of those projects comes out of my own lab, a collaboration with Suzanne Trudel and Roger Tiedemann, myeloma physicians at the Princess-Margaret Cancer Centre. Here we use single-cell sequencing to dissect at the molecular level bone marrow asteroids from patients on active treatment at the hospital, and we use that to understand how cancer and the immune system is changed by new cancer immunotherapies. So to ensure other researchers in Canada know about these capabilities, we're very happy to be listed on the CFI Navigator platform, really to raise awareness of what we can do and what we are going to do in the future at the Princess-Margaret Genomics Centre. Thanks to CFI's investment in Canadian platforms like ours, we've been able to take our research and start to offer it internationally to collaborators in Europe, Africa, and actually all around the world. So congratulations to CFI on this 10th anniversary of launching Navigator, and we look forward to partnering with you at the University Health Network for another 10 years of elevating Canadian and international science.